In this video, I will show you how to convert outline drawing into 2D and then converting it into 3D in Illustrator. Create new document. From File, select Place to add outline drawing. Image link is provided in description. Go to Object, Lock, Selection. Then select Pen. Go to Properties, keep Fill to None. Start placing points on outline image. Select anchor point to shape the outline. Using same process, complete the outline. Keep lines intersected to avoid openings. Select ellipse to make eyes and nose. To reflect eyes and eyebrows, select. Right-click and select Transform, then Reflect. Keep axis vertical and copy. Hold right key to place it accordingly. Follow same process to ears. Make sure that all lines are connected to each other. We are done with outline. Go to Object. Select Unlock All. Delete the outline image. Drag and select all outline. Select Shape Builder. Go to Properties, keep Fill to black color. Start filling color inside character. To remove extra lines, drag and select one portion. Double-click and select extra line, drag it out. Again, double-check, select Magic Wand tool and click one line. It will enable other extra outline automatically. Delete it. I have added color palette to fill color. Using selection, select portion, then select eyedropper and select color. Follow the same process. Drag, select and delete color palette. Drag and select character. Go to Properties and keep stroke to none. Right-click and group the character. Select 3D and Materials. If it is not visible, enable it from Window. Select Inflate and follow the settings. Enable shadow. Click on Render. Our 3D character is ready. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.